Hello mga Mars and Pars! Welcome to my vlog. Ayan na nga. Nag-bridge tour nga pala ako for my last port day. Look at that. Tinaray ko ang binoculars and it was a very nice experience. By the way mga Mars and Pars, this is my first decent visit to the bridge. Ayan na nga. Nag-join ako for the day. And it was a very, very amazing experience. We get to know a lot of things about the bridge. Ayan na nga. Nakita nyo, nasa starboard side ako. And the highlight of this tour is, of course, alam nyo na, syempre, not the controls, but the captain's chair. There you go. Na-try natin yan. Syempre, hindi tayo magpapahuli. Thank you so much for watching this video. Yun lang!